Hello, Gucci's team. How are you all doing? Hope everyone have been doing great already. Today, I have a beautiful recipe. I'm going to be sharing with you from the beginning to the end. This is American delicious delicacy. It is called beef stew recipe. If you would love to know how I made this stew from the beginning to the end, please take a chill drink and take your popcorn, relax and see how we made this. This is a highly requested video and I'm sure you will love it. I gave it a twist. So I have my garlic, I have my turmeric, as you can see. All of these are going into this deliciousness. I have carrots. I'm using carrot also. We are using this roller peas, which is green beans. We have zucchini. I have garlic here. In this bowl, I have some lemon and lime, and all of these peppers are going in. I'm using cherry tomatoes, red onion. All of this I'm going to be using for this deliciousness, but first I'm going to go ahead and chop them into little bit sizes. After chopping them, I'm going to blend these things because I need all of these things to be blended. I'm also going to be adding some cloves into the blender. Just watch this beef stew recipe. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. Go ahead and blend all the things I need to blend and chop all I need to chop. Okay, and here is our beef. Let's get started, guys. I've gone ahead to clean my celery. I'm going to go in with all of my vegetables so I can blend. I'm going to go in with carrots. This is my celery. Eat as much vegetables as you can. Here is my turmeric. I'm going to go in with turmeric for your health's sake. And here is my ginger. I'm going to go in with my ginger. This is my garlic. I'm going to go in with my garlic. I just want you guys to see what I'm adding in. This is all healthy, healthy. Went in to cut some onion. I'm going to blend it also. I'm not going to finish it. I'm going to keep it for some other recipes. So guys, I have some fennel seeds. I have some black peppercorn mixed. I have cloves. I have anista. I'm going to go in and add all of this. We are going to blend this to smooth, like puree. I'm going to go in with my lemon and lime. This is an American meal and it's a very special meal. Beef stew is very delicious. Our blend looks like. You can see how wonderful this blend is looking. You can use this to make tea. You can put this in all your recipes. Just save it in your freezer. And you can always use it anytime as long as it's safe. I'll go in with my cooking oil. This is the brand I'm using. Go in with your cooking oil like so. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'm also going to be adding some coconut oil. I decided to go in with butter, guys. Yeah, this is going to come out very yummy-licious. I just want to show you every step I go with this deliciousness, and I'm sure you're going to love it. It's coming nicely. It's coming together, guys. This is beef stew recipe. You are going to love it. I'm going to go in with my sliced onion. Give it a mix. Allow your onion to caramelize for about 60 seconds. Yeah, this is something you can eat with rice. You can even decide to eat with spaghetti or yam, plantain, but very healthy. Go in with your curry to infuse that deliciousness. I'm going to go in with cumin. I'll go in with bay leaf. I'm going to go in with some oregano. I am so loving oregano. I'm going in with some white pepper. I'm going in with some chili pepper. This is smoky chili. This is my smoked paprika. Okay, you can go in with smoked paprika. Okay, garlic powder, onion powder. Add this lemon pepper. This is very delicious, guys. I have another one. This one is another one. It's so beautiful. I like to mix the two. I'll go in with it, okay? Add your lemon pepper. I'm adding the 2 flavor. Yeah. Mix everything together. You can skip anything that you like to skip here. But trust me, all of this will infuse so much deliciousness to the beef, because the beef will be going in. After adding all of these things, I'm going to add all of my blended stuffs. All those herbs will take the beef to a very beautiful level. Okay. You can add ketchup, you can add tomato paste. I added ketchup because I wanted to give me that flavor. You know, the ketchup delicious flavor. It is my own preference. This will infuse deliciousness. These are all of my herbs, all the blended stuffs. I'm going to go in and add. Mix everything in. I'll allow this to steam for about 60 seconds before I add the beef. 2 minutes later, guys, I was cutting my meat actually. So I'm going to add it in. So this is my meat. I've gone ahead to slice some onion into it. It's going to cook until it brings out some juice. And all of this will marinate into the meat. That is the essence. Guys, you can add beef broth if you like. I don't like to add things like that in my meal. You can choose to add more salt, add whatever seasoning you want to add. But I'm going to let this cook. Guys, I'm going in with more black pepper. You can choose not to if you like. Our meat is coming nicely. You can see how juicy this beef stew is looking. You can choose to buy beef broth from the store, but I don't like adding it to my food. So I'm going to add my potatoes. Go in with your potatoes. Let it cook. While it's cooking, the meat is cooking also. Just move it around. If you want to pre-cook your potatoes before adding it in your beef stew, it's also good. Okay, and if you have excess oil, you can just scoop it out. It is still good. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to add all the vegetables and we should be ready. Go in with your carrots. As you can see, this meal is packed with so many healthy vegetables and fruits. I'm going to go in with celery. Just go in with all the hard vegetables. That way to cook before you know it will start, getting soft. Just mix it in. You want it to start cooking. Look at that deliciousness. Oh, guys, this is yum. Yum, yum, yum. At this point, you just want to go in with all the vegetables of your choice and this meal will be ready. This is my zucchini. I'll add it in. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends and loved ones. Look at that. This is one of the Americans recipes that I love so much. It's so delicious and yummy. I'm going to go in with my green beans. This video is a highly requested video and I decided to give this meal a twist. Just went about it my own way and it came out very good. This is going to be very, very helpful for your children, especially when you have little kids at home. This is a very healthy meal. You can just twist your meal around with so many healthy vegetables and make your family have that best feeling that, yeah, when I get home, I'm sure my mom will cook a good meal. Yeah. I'm going to go in with my sweet peppers. I remember back in the days when I'll call my mom, I want this meal. And before I get home, she has made them. I'm going to go in with my tomatoes. This is my cherry tomatoes, guys. Oh my goodness. This is full of deliciousness, full of all the healthy vegetables. I hope you're going to try this. I'm going to go in with the pineapples. Isn't that such a good feeling? We are done with this delicious.